Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Apple Watch stuck on pairing circle, force restart and repair your Apple Watch. Fix 1. Restart your Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button until the power menu appears. Now tap the power button and turn off the watch. Then wait for about 30 seconds and turn the Apple Watch back on. Now try pairing it with your iPhone again. Fix 2. Force restart the Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button and digital crown together and keep holding both the buttons for about 10 seconds. Then release them when the Apple logo appears. Now wait for the watch to restart and then try pairing again. Fix 3. Restart your iPhone. Turn off your iPhone and wait a few seconds. Then turn the iPhone back on and make sure the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on. Then open the watch app and try pairing again. Fix 4. Reset the Apple Watch. On the Apple Watch, open Settings, then tap on General. Then tap Transfer or Reset, and tap Erase all content and settings. Then follow the instructions to erase the watch. Now open the Watch app on your iPhone and pair the watch again. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.